up right now. We got these two in the back just hanging out, getting some cuddling in. You getting any cuddles back there, babe?
Yeah, he's being pretty sweet.
A little bit cloudy here today, and it's pretty windy. Wind's blowing the dust all over the place. Probably not a great day if you're out riding in Moab, but we are just blazing through on our way to Flagstaff. Alright, we stopped off in Bluff, Utah. Let Ruger out. Check out the super cool visitor center. That old wagon. Think you could cross the desert in that thing? Check this place out. These old cabins, so cool. Made it to Flagstaff. We're here at Wally World, grabbing a couple things before we go find a spot to camp for the night. We're both super tired. Savannah ran inside the store, hanging out here with Ruger Dog. And we're gonna be finding somewhere to sleep tonight, and then we will be loading into the show tomorrow. Hopefully get a decent camp spot. I think it opens up around 8 a.m. or something. And then, yeah, get all set up and see what the weekend brings. I think this is one of those Walmarts where you're not allowed to stay at night. There's signs posted everywhere. No overnight parking, no camping. I was expecting to see this parking lot completely full with overland rigs, vans, campers, RVs, whatever, but there's none here. A little bit shocked by that. Anyways, we'll catch you in the morning. Saying hi. We're saying hi to each other. That's funny. We're hanging out at the check-in, waiting to get our tickets and go find our camp spot here at the event. This place is filling up quick. They're just packing them in here. Four by four bird. Savannah got a new rig.
It's so cute.
Found the only quiet spot for the whole weekend, so we're taking advantage of it. Try to cool off a little bit.
Feels nice.
Ruger's overstimulated by 500 dogs. Buddy, star of the show. Here's what we got. The camp set up. Looking like we got a lot of shit everywhere. Got the little twinkle lights up. Show starts tomorrow, and we'll be running you guys through all that. We did a little walkthrough earlier during the happy hour opening event. Let's just say there is a million vendors. It's going to be crazy. Nice little mellow evening, and then we'll be getting after it tomorrow. As you can see, there's more campers here than we've ever been around. This definitely wasn't our style of camping. We usually like to be out and far away from everybody, but this is festival style camping at its finest. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I'm usually the first one up at camp. The sun was out and there was a lot of people running around, so I decided to make coffee and get started with my day. Ruger did such a good job all weekend running security around the campsite, making sure that nobody snuck up on us. Making our first lap on a Friday morning. So many cool vendors, amazing vehicles. It might take 3 days to get all of it in. Ruger's having the time of his life. There's so many awesome rigs at the show. You'll start to see a trend here throughout this video too. Ginormous $500,000 trucks seem to kind of be the normal. It's pretty wild to see how much money people have invested into their rigs, and the fact that people are buying these things left and right all over the place. What's going on, guys? We're here at Overland Expo 26 in Flagstaff. We got Tim here from Bottle Jack Buddy. Super cool and functional product here. I ended up just purchasing one, and small, compact. I'll let him kind of walk you through how it all works.
How you guys doing? I'm going to talk to you about a couple different Bottle Jack Buddy sizes. So this is our standard size. This is for your 3-inch axles, your Jeeps, F-150s, Toyotas. You just set it right on top of your bottle jack. Change that tire from underneath the axle.
And this goes on top of the jack. Yeah, and so this is
And then Tony's got the 1-ton axle, so we went with the bigger one. This is our Bottle Jack Buddy big one. Same concept, just for larger vehicles. And then new to the show, we just invented the pad. This pad goes underneath the jack, underneath of a tire. You're gonna keep from sinking down into the sand. This guy's 23,000 pounds per square inch. Everything we do at Bottle Jack Buddy is 100% made in the USA. We also have lifetime warranty on everything we do. So follow Tony and check out the Bottle Jack Buddy at bottlejackbuddy.net.
2013, and I've been doing it professionally since, I say professionally, I've been making a living at it full time since about 2019. Hacks to try to help make things go a little bit smoother in post and get you the kind of quality of video that you want. Usually it's easy.
Ruger. She's dying to play with something. There they go.
Oh yeah, these two would have a ball. I really like this trailer here, especially with the option to throw your dirt bike on the front, have the rooftop tent on, and also carry your gear on there. It was super cool. This old Ford here was probably one of my favorite ones at the show. Just bare bones, original, nothing fancy, in a sea of $500,000 rigs and earth roamers and everything you can imagine. This guy's out there doing it in something so simple and vintage and looking cool as hell.
Stove and you have your food directly over the heat, and that's basically that's.
Here's Ruger and I heading back to camp, grab some late lunch and just kind of recoup and take a rest. We walked around, he sniffed every dog at the show, made a bunch of friends, and we're gonna head in for the evening and chill out. Thank you guys for watching. The easiest way to support this channel is to hit that like button, follow along, and if you can, subscribe if you're enjoying the content.